how to make money in YouTube, a 100 per day strategy. YouTube has 2 billion monthly active users currently. Imagine that demographics. You can earn $50, $100, or $500 a day. Everything is possible. Now, I will teach you how to earn money on this platform. So focus on this guide. Now, you need to choose what niche are you going to make videos. Because YouTube is a video platform, you need to create a content. So these are the profitable niche. Number 1, be vlog. As you can see, you only need camera here. Make content by your daily life routine, like a diary or anything related in you. Number 2, do-it-yourself videos. Create helpful videos like creating bugs or anything that is helpful. Gaming, recording your gameplays. You can record your gameplays and use and put your voiceover and start uploading your content. Number 4, tutorials. You can use guitars, piano, and teach your on the video on how to play guitar. So these are the profitable niche. So how to start and earn on ads? Because YouTube is a platform, to earn money is by using advertisement. So you will earn on ads. Number 1, of course, create a channel where you will choose what content you will upload. Be vlog, gaming, tutorial, or do-it-yourself. Anything that is your passion. Number 2, start and upload daily. Of course, if you are finished in creating your channel and choosing your niche, you start to upload daily and consistently. Be eligible for monetization. So number 3, you must reach the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. As you can see here, get reviewed after reaching 4,000 watch hour in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Now, if you reach this watch hours and subscribers, you will start earning by ads. So after you have reached the 4,000 watch hours and 1K subscribers, you'll start earning on a daily basis. Like this. This is my newly created channel. As you can see, on November 18, I start earning $5 per day, $5 per day on 17, $4 per day on 16, 15, and 14 $4 per day. But this is new created channel, and the earnings will be more higher on coming days by just uploading videos. Hope you understand my explanation on how to earn on YouTube daily. Good luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel for more tutorials. Thank you.